Welcome to the Entrepreneur Show. The current outbreak is a crisis on a scale most of us have never seen in our lifetime. Cities and countries are on lockdown. Major events have been cancelled, and people are panic buying basic supplies while cutting back on travel. Experts say there's likely going to be a global recession. You simply can't shut down cities, countries, and supply chains without a big flow on effect. Think of when a car breaks down on the highway and every car behind it has to stop. It takes time to get traffic flowing again. In the long term, however, the stage is set for unprecedented growth because on the other side of this crisis, fundamentals are strong. The millennial generation is hitting its stride financially this decade, and there's a lot of them. The boomers are into semi and total retirement and have more wealth than any other generation in history, and they intend to spend it while they are healthy. Technology is laying the foundations for every business to have global opportunities, and governments of the world are pumping money into the economy by billions. Imagine a big spinning flywheel that spins down at first, then catapults things up on the other side. First it dips, and then it flies off. This decade is going to be the roaring 20s anew on many fronts for entrepreneurs. Many big businesses are being disrupted, and some will even fall over, creating opportunities everywhere for small businesses. After the 2008 financial crisis, we saw the birth of dozens and dozens of brand new multi-billion dollar businesses like Instagram, WhatsApp, Uber, Airbnb, Dropbox, Slack, etc. All of them were started by young people who probably would have gotten jobs at PwC or some established bank if not for the previous recession. We will see this sort of activity again in the 2020s because recessions can also lead to reinventions. Companies that try to stay the same get chewed up and spat out. For example, Blockbuster, Toys R Us, Phones for You. Whereas companies that reinvent themselves do well, like Netflix, Disney, Apple, Microsoft. In many cases, small nimble business become the bright sparks that fly high after a recession. Will you cling to how you did business in the 2010s, or will you use this time to transform into an even better version of your vision, mission, and values? Whatever business you have today will look different on the other side of this event. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to drop a like and press bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and comment which topic you'd like to see next video on. Till then, do whatever you want to do, guys. See you soon.